Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about trigonometry. We need to prove that cosine x multiplied with 1 minus cosine 2x equal to sin 2x. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. About cosine 2x, we got about 1 minus 2 sin x squared in here. So in this situation, we put this one in here. So we have negative and we change number 1 into negative. Negative, negative, you got about positive. 1 minus 1, you got about 0. Next, we have cosine x equal to cosine x over sin x. So we put this one in here. We have sin x and we have sin x. They will simplify together, and you got about cosine x multiplied with 2 sin x, and we know that 2 cosine x, 2 cosine x sin x, you got about sin 2x. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.